everybody? Todd Mitchell here for Thursday, May 29th. Let's quickly revisit the Caterpillar trade that we've had on here for a few days. If you recall, we went long at 103.20. We took partial profits up here at our first profit target at 104.40, which hit here. I think the high was 104.48. And then we trailed up the stop, see if we could get a bigger runner up here, and we didn't. Market pulled back. Got stopped out at 102.95, lost 25 cents on the remaining portion of the position, and made, what did we make? A buck 20 on the bigger part of the position there. So we came out a winner there. That's a good trade, but we're flat right now. And then the trade that I mentioned yesterday was Harley-Davidson, HOG, if you recall, went long right in here. All right, nice setup. Pulled back nicely to a support zone, right? Touching these two white horizontal lines, which are key trade zone down here. Took out this tight little inside bar, as you can see in here. The market's really started to consolidate. So the trade 71.17 with a stop below the 70.59. So we're not risking much here. We're looking for the market to run. So we'll see if we can get a continued move to the upside there. And let's quickly take a look at the NASDAQ. The NASDAQ market right now is testing the all-time high. See that? Look at that. So the market this morning, we've actually broken through that all-time high in the S&P 500 marginally. So again, this is the all-time high in the NASDAQ market, and we are coming up there and touching that level today. So this is the QQQ ETF. That old high technically was 91.36, and look at this, 90. Well, okay, we're not quite there, 91.14. So we're about 22 cents from that all-time high in the ETF. Let's quickly take a look at the E-Minis today, and I want to show you a few real good trades from yesterday, and we're going to get into this in great detail on Saturday's presentation. I want to invite all of you. Craig Hill and I are going to spend roughly 4 hours Saturday, 12 to 4 o'clock roughly, and to show you exactly how you do what I'm going to show you in just one second. All right, here's a chart of the E-Mini S&P 500 futures. Now, I've been getting a lot of questions. Well, does what you're going to teach on Saturday, does that work for really all markets? Absolutely. We're going to show you how to draw in what we call key trade zones. And it's a top-down approach. It takes you probably 5 to 7 minutes to calculate these numbers. And these green horizontal lines represent the key trade zones from yesterday. So this is where the market opened up right in here. This is a key trade zone. You could be a buyer, and this is a major key trade zone. This was a buy down in here. Okay, first profit target was this key trade zone. Remember, these are drawn in before the day even opens. We have these zones, and we're going to show you not only how to calculate these key trade zones before the market opens, but actually how to trade the key trade zones, specific strategy and tactics behind the key trade zones. Very, very powerful information. So in a nutshell, this was a major key trade zone from yesterday, and this was a major key trade zone from yesterday. And as you can see, the low of the day was put in place on the major key trade zone, and the high of the day actually happened to give you the high of the day. The high of the day was a major key trade zone above, which you would have been looking to sell up in here. Okay, so we're going to get into the specifics on Saturday, and again, I just want to invite all of you. We're really looking forward to it. This is something brand new. We've been trading it live for about 4 or 5 months now, and have been coming up with the rules for the last 6, 8 months. And this works in beautifully with things that we're already doing and trading. So just go to just click the link below the video here, and the actual URL is HTTPS. You can find it up in here. This is the actual URL. Got about a 30-minute video talking about this. We show you live trades. We show you our P&L. of the last 53 trades. The exciting thing about this is it's roughly 70% accurate, 70% accurate, with a 2-to-1 reward to risk ratio, which is phenomenal. So I just want to invite you. I hope you have a profitable day, and if you've got any questions whatsoever, you can contact either myself or Craig. Have a good day. Bye for now.